Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel Small Stitching. In today's tutorial we are going to learn how to draft a front open frilled frock for newborns. Here are the measurements. Full length 14 inches, shoulder 4.5 inch, chest 4.5 inches, waist 4.5 inches, neck width is 3.5 inches, neck depth for front is 2 inches and for back is 1 inch, sleeve length is 2 inches and sleeve round is 3.5 inches. Here the full length is 14 inches, which is divided into body's length and skirt length. Body's length is 5 inches and skirt length is 9 inches. The skirt length is of 2 layers. 4.5 inch is the length and 20 inches is the width. These are two pieces for front and back. This is the top layer and this is the bottom layer. 4.5 inches length, 30 inches width. These are the two pieces for front and back. The reason I prefer front open frocks for babies is for their comfort. These are the two fabrics which I am going to use. Let's cut the fabric. Here I took two rectangular pieces. These are the two rectangular pieces, which is 7 inches in length and 11 inches in width. Take one of this rectangular piece, fold it once. On this piece of fabric, we will mark the shoulder point, which is 4.25 inch. Here come down by 3.5 inch. Make a horizontal line here. On this line we have to mark the chest point, which is 4.5 inches. At the bottom, the body's length is 5 inches. We have to add 1 inch for seam allowance. On this line we have to mark the waist point, which is 4.5 inches. Join these 2 points with a line. Now we have to give the armhole shape here. Take the center point, go inside by 1/4 inch. Join this shoulder point, this point and this chest point by a smooth curve. This is the armhole here. Leave 1 inch for seam allowance here. Cut it. The drafting of front piece is done. Now take the second rectangular piece, fold it once, put the front piece on the top of it while leaving a gap of 1 inch like this. We are taking the midpoint here on the same place as of the front piece. Join this midpoint with the chest point by giving a smooth curve like this and cut the back armhole. Now let's draft the neck part. Here the neck width is 1/3 inches. Go down by 2 inches for the front neck and make a box here, and for the back go down by 1 inch and make a box. Give a smooth curve here to shape the neck. Now cut this. This is the front neck. And this is the back neck. For shaping the bottom, go up by 1 inch. Give a curve here. Now the body's drafting is completed. Now let's go for the skirt part. Here the skirt, as I mentioned, is of 2 layers having 4.5 inches of length each. Width for the first layer is 20 inches and for the second layer is 30 inches. We have to cut 2 pieces for the top layer and 2 pieces for the bottom layer. We are going to take the top layer from this fabric, and for the bottom layer we are taking this fabric. So let's cut the front fabric. For the top layer the length is 4.5 inches, in which we have to add 1 inch seam allowance, and the width is 20 inches. In which we have to add 1 inch for seam allowance. Let's cut this out. These are the top layers. This is the folded fabric. Here I am taking make a line here, cut it out. This is the one layer. We have to cut one more layer. These are the bottom layers. These are the top layers and these are the bottom layer. We have to take frills here like this. I'll show you while stitching. As we are drafting for the front open frock, we will need 2 platelets for the arrangement of buttons. Take a piece of cloth and cut it with these measurements. Length is of 15 inches for both the plakelets. Width for the first plakelet is 2 inches and for the second plakelet is 3 inches. Take the length 15 inches. For the first plakelet 2 inches. And for the second plakelet 3 inches. I am going to cut these plakelets. These are the two plakelets. We have completed our drafting session. Stitching of this frock will be shown in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel and comment for any queries. Stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.